Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to share with you one of our valve assembly. Let's take a look for the valve. And firstly you will see the VCINT roast back right, and here this is the label. The label information, the first line of the label is our Shumatt brand logo, and the second line is the F00VC01329 inject control valve, its product code, and with the application inject number 045110168, etc. The QR code. By the way, the logo, the label, the packages, etc. we support customized service. Inside the plastic bottles, we use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up. Actually, we're not only selling the whole valve assembly, we're also selling the separated one, like this kind of valve cap. And if you look carefully, you'll find here there is the coating figures, and this is the valve rod. For our product, we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you're not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position, and the third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the inject body. The third tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, please clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? So much for this one. At last, if you still have other questions, send us by the emails or the WhatsApp or leave comments to us. At last, remember, follow us. Thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate it. Let's see you next time. Bye-bye.